Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fit and fine. This is for class 4th, subject mathematics. I will continue chapter number 4, multiplication, and this is our lecture number 7. Now, in this lecture, I shall discuss about worksheet given on page number 48. Now, solve the following questions. Worksheet given on page number 48. Question number 1. State true or false. A part 1313 multiply 0 equal to 1313. C. Is this statement true or false? C. The product of a number and 0 is always 0. But here this number is written. So this statement is false. So write down answer false. Okay. Now B part 2691 multiply 1 equal to 2691. C. Is this statement true or false? C. The product of a number and 1 is the number itself and this statement is true. So write down answer true. Okay. Now C part 333 multiply 2000 equal to 33,300. Is this statement true or false? C. If we multiply 333 by 2, then we will get 666 and then we will place 3 zeros at the last of this product. So we will get 66,600. But here 33,300 is written. So this statement is false. So write down answer false. Okay. Now D part 0 multiply 30 equal to 300. Is this statement true or false? See, the product of a number and 0 is always 0. Okay, so this statement is false. So write down answer false. Now E part 636 multiply 1000 equal to 6,36,000. See, is this statement true or false? See, we will multiply first 636 by 1. So we will get 636 and then we will place 3 zeros at the last of this product. So we will get 6,36,000. Yes, this statement is true. So write down answer true. Okay. Now question number 2. Fill in the blanks. A part 4 multiply 300 equal to dash. C. First we will multiply 4 by 3. So 4 3s are 12 and then we will place 2 zeros at the last of this product. So clear? So write down answer 4 multiply 300 equal to 1200. Okay. So answer is 1200. Clear? Now B part 7631 multiply 0 equal to dash. C. The product of a number and 0 is always 0. So we will fill 0 in this given blank. Okay. So write down answer 7631 multiply 0 equal to 0. 0 is the answer. Okay. Now C part 8946 multiply dash equal to 8946. See, the product of a number and 1 will always be that number itself. Clear? So we will write here 1. Okay. So write down answer 8946 multiply 1 equal to 8946. 1 is the answer. Clear? Now question number 3. Multiply A part 613 multiply 606. We will multiply 613 by 606. So write down 613 multiply 606. First multiply 613 by 6. See, 6 2 is 18, write 8 here and 1 carry. 6 1 is 6 plus 1, 7, write 7 here. 6 6 is 36, write 36 here. Now put 1 cross here. Now multiply 613 by 0. See, 0 3 is 0, write 0 here. 0 1 is 0, write 0 here. 0 6 is 0, write 0 here. Now put 2 cross here. Now multiply 613 by 6. Write down 6 3 is 18, write 8 here and 1 carry. 6 1 is 6 plus 1, 7, write 7 here. 6 6 is 36, write 36 here. Now we will do addition. Write 8 here. 7 plus 0, 7, write 7 here. 6 plus 0, 6 plus 8, 14, write 4 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 0, 4 plus 7, 11, write 1 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 6, 7, write 7 here and write 3 as it is. Answer is 3,71,478. Write down. Thus 613 multiply 606 equal to 3,71,478. Okay. Now B part 894 multiply 120. We will multiply 894 by 120. Write down 894 multiply 120. First multiply 894 by 0. See, 0 4 is 0, write 0 here. 0 9 is 0, write 0 here. 0 8 is 0, write 0 here. Now put 1 cross here. Now multiply 894 by 2. See, 2 4 is 8, write 8 here. 2 9 is 18, write 8 here and 1 carry. 2 8 is 16 plus 1, 17, write 17 here. Now put 2 cross here. Now multiply 894 by 1. Okay. See, 1 4 is 4, write 4 here. 1 9 is 9, write 9 here. 1 8 is 8, write 8 here. Now we will do addition. See, write 0 here. 0 plus 8, 8, write 8 here. 0 plus 8, 8 plus 4, 12, write 2 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 7, 8 plus 9, 17, write 7 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 8, 10, write 10 here. Answer is 1,07,280. Write down. Thus 894 multiply 120 equal to 1,07,280. Okay. Now question number 4. Vaibhav can write 184 words on a page. How many words can he write on 138 such pages? See, Vaibhav can write 184 words on one page. How many words can he write on 138 such pages? It means we will do multiplication, but first we will write statements. So write down answer. Number of words can be written on one page equal to 184 words. Number of words can be written on 138 pages equal to 184 multiply 138. So write down 184 multiply 138. First we will multiply 184 by 8. See, 8 4s are 32, write 2 here and 3 carry. 8 8s are 64 plus 3, 67, write 7 here and 6 carry. 8 1s are 8 plus 6, 14, write 14 here. Now put 1 cross here. Now multiply 184 by 3. See, 3 4s are 12, write 2 here and 1 carry. 3 8s are 24 plus 1, 25, write 5 here and 2 carry. 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5, write 5 here. Now put 2 cross here. Now multiply 184 by 1. See, 1 4s are 4, write 4 here. 1 8s are 8, write 8 here. 1 1s are 1, write 1 here. Now we will do addition. Write 2 here. 7 plus 2, 9, write 9 here. 4 plus 5, 9 plus 4, 13, write 3 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 5, 7 plus 8, 15, write 5 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2, write 2 here. Answer is 25,392. Write down. Therefore, Vaibhav can write 25,392 words on 138 such pages. Okay. Now, question number 6. A bookseller sends 78 bundles of books through a transport carrier. Each bundle contains 387 books and each book weighs 2 kilograms. Find the total weight of books to be transported. First, we will find number of total books and then we will find total weight of books. Clear? Write down. Answer. Number of books in one bundle equal to 387 books. Number of books in 78 bundles equal to 387 multiply 78. It means we will multiply 387 by 78. Write down 387 multiply 78. First multiply 387 by 8. See, 8 7s are 56, write 6 here and 5 carry. 8 8s are 64 plus 5, 69, write 9 here and 6 carry. 8 3s are 24 plus 6, 30, write 30 here. Now put 1 cross here. Now multiply 387 by 7. See, 7 7s are 49, write 9 here and 4 carry. 7 8s are 56 plus 4, 60, write 0 here and 6 carry. 7 3s are 21 plus 6, 27, write 27 here. Now we will do addition. Write 6 here, 9 plus 9, 18, write 8 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 1, write 1 here. 3 plus 7, 10, write 0, 0 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3, write 3 here. Answer is 30,186. 387 multiply 78 equal to 30,186 books. Okay. Now see, each book weighs 2 kilograms. So total number of books is given now 30,186. It means we will multiply now 30,186 by 2. Okay. To find the total weight of books. Now write weight of each book equal to 2 kilograms. Weight of 30,186 books equal to 30,186 multiply 2 kilograms. Multiply 30,186 by 2. See, 2 6 are 12, write 2 here and 1 carry. 2 8 are 16 plus 1, 17, write 7 here and 1 carry. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3, write 3 here. 2 0s are 0, write 0 here. 2 3s are 6, write 6 here. Answer is 60,372. Okay, write down. Therefore, 60,372 kilograms books to be transported. Okay. Now, question number 8. How many hours are there in a year of 365 days? See, answer. As we know that one day equal to 24 hours. So 365 days equal to 365 multiply 24 hours. Write down 365 multiply 24. See 4 5s are 20, write 0 here and 2 carry. 4 6 are 24 plus 2, 26, write 6 here and 2 carry. 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 14, write 14 here. Now put 1 cross here, now multiply 365 by 2. See 2 5s are 10, write 0 here and 1 carry. 2 6s are 12 plus 1, 13, write 3 here and 1 carry. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7, write 7 here. Now we will do addition. Write 0 here, 6 plus 0, 6, write 6 here, 4 plus 3, 7, write 7 here, 1 plus 7, 8, write 8 here. Thus, there are 8,760 hours in a year of 365 days. Now, solve the following questions assigned as homework. Worksheet given on page number 48. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. D part, 12 multiply 9,000 equal to dash. E part, 738 multiply 131 equal to 131 multiply dash. Now, question number 3. Find the product. C part, 426 multiply 789. Question number 5. There are 516 mango trees in an orchard. A man plucked 404 mangoes from each tree. How many mangoes did he pluck altogether? I repeat, question number 5. There are 516 mango trees in an orchard. A man plucked 404 mangoes from each tree. How many mangoes did he pluck altogether? Now, question number 7. A baker bakes 367 loaves of bread a day. How many loaves of bread will he bake in 2 years? Hint, 1 year equal to 365 days. Question number 7. A baker bakes 367 loaves of bread a day. How many loaves of bread will he bake in 2 years? Hint, 1 year equal to 365 days. Question number 9. The cost of one scooter is rupees 24,450. On a particular day, the distributor sold 25 such scooters. Find the amount collected by selling them. Question number 9. The cost of one scooter is rupees 24,450. On a particular day, the distributor sold 25 such scooters. Find the amount collected by selling them. Now, I will discuss homework solutions of lecture number 6 of chapter number 4, multiplication. Now, exercise 4D. Question number 3. In a state, there are 23 national parks. Each national park has 242 animals. How many total animals are there in national parks in that particular state? Write down answer. Number of animals in each national park equal to 242 animals. Number of animals in 23 national parks equal to 242 multiply 23. Write down 242 multiply 23. First multiply 242 by 3. See 3 2s are 6, write 6 here. 3 4s are 12, write 2 here and 1 carry. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7, write 7 here. Now put 1 cross here. Now multiply 242 by 2. See 2 2s are 4, write 4 here. 2 4s are 8, write 8 here. 2 2s are 4, write 4 here. Now we will do addition. Write 6 here. 2 plus 4, 6, write 6 here. 7 plus 8, 15, write 5 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 4, 5, write 5 here. Answer is 5,566. Write down. Therefore, there are 5,566 animals in 23 national parks. Okay. Now, question number 4. A factory makes 260 toys a day. How many toys can be made in a year? Hint, 1 year equal to 365 days. See, a factory makes 260 toys a day. In 1 day, factory makes 260 toys. How many toys can be made in a year? And 1 year equal to 365 days. So means we will multiply, but first we will write statements. So write down answer. Number of toys made in 1 day equal to 260 toys. Number of toys made in 365 days equal to 260 multiply 365. Write down 260 multiply 365. First multiply 260 by 5. See 5 zeros are 0, write 0 here. 5 6 are 30, write 0 here and 3 carry. 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 13, write 13 here. Now put 1 cross here. Now multiply 260 by 6. See 6 zeros are 0, write 0 here. 6 6 are 36, write 6 here and 3 carry. 6 2s are 12 plus 3, 15, write 15 here. Now put 2 cross here. Now multiply 260 by 3. See 3 zeros are 0, write 0 here. 3 6 are 18, write 8 here and 1 carry. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7, write 7 here. Now we will do addition. See, write 0 here, 0 plus 0, 0, write 0 here, 3 plus 6, 9, plus 0, 9, write 9 here, 1 plus 5, 6, plus 8, 14, write 4 here, and 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2, plus 7, 9, write 9 here. Answer is 94,900. Write down. Therefore, 94,900 toys can be made in a year. Okay. Now, question number 6. An aerobic teacher teaches aerobics for 130 minutes each day. How many minutes does the teacher teach aerobics in 325 days? See, an aerobic teacher teaches aerobics for 130 minutes in one day. How many minutes does the teacher teach aerobics in 325 days? It means we will do multiplication, but first we will write statements. So write down answer. The teacher teaches aerobics in one day equal to 130 minutes. The teacher teaches aerobics in 325 days equal to 130 multiply 325 minutes. So write down 130 multiply 325. See, first multiply 130 by 5. See, 5 zeros are 0, write 0 here, 5 threes are 15, write 5 here, and 1 carry, 5 ones are 5 plus 1, 6, write 6 here. Now put 1 cross here, now multiply 130 by 2. See, 2 zeros are 0, write 0 here, 2 threes are 6, write 6 here, 2 ones are 2, write 2 here. Now put 2 cross here, now multiply 130 by 3. See, 3 zeros are 0, write 0 here, 3 threes are 9, write 9 here, 3 ones are 3, write 3 here. Now we will do addition. Write 0 here, 5 plus 0, 5, write 5 here, 6 plus 6, 12, plus 0, 12, write 2 here, and 1 carry, 1 plus 2, 3, plus 9, 12, write 2 here, and 1 carry, 1 plus 3, 4, write 4 here. Answer is 42,250. Write down. Therefore, the teacher teaches 42,250 minutes aerobics in 325 days. Now, question number 9. Multiply the greatest 4-digit number by smallest 3-digit number. Multiply the greatest 4-digit number by smallest 3-digit number. Write down answer. Greatest 4-digit number equal to 9,999 and smallest 3-digit number equal to 100. So we will multiply 9,999 by 100. Write down. By multiplying we get equal to 9,999 multiply 100. First multiply 9,999 by 1 and then we will place 2 zeros at the last of this product. See, so write down equal to 9,99,900. Okay, answer is 9,99,900. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.